Manarola is a charming and picturesque village located in the heart of Italy, offering visitors a unique blend of history, natural beauty, and cultural richness. Nestled among rolling hills and vineyards, the village is known for its stunning views and tranquil atmosphere. Visitors to Manarola are immediately captivated by its well-preserved medieval architecture, including narrow streets, quaint squares, and stone houses that have withstood the test of time. The village exudes a sense of timelessness, inviting travelers to explore its many hidden corners. Manarola's history dates back to Roman times, and the traces of its ancient past can still be seen in the ruins and historical structures scattered throughout the area. The medieval streets wind through the heart of the town, providing a perfect setting for leisurely strolls and exploration. Manarola's blend of history and natural beauty makes it an ideal destination for anyone looking to experience authentic Italian charm. Its ancient origins give the town a sense of deep-rooted culture that visitors can feel as they walk through its cobbled streets and visit its iconic landmarks. The preservation of its medieval character ensures that Manarola offers a window into the past while maintaining a harmonious balance with the present. One of the most significant attractions in Manarola is its Romanesque church, which stands proudly at the center of the village. This church, built in the 12th century, is one of the most important historical sites in Manarola and showcases the architectural style of the period. The church's simple yet beautiful design, with its stone walls and modest interior, reflects the region's spiritual and artistic heritage. It remains an active place of worship today, providing not only a place for locals to gather but also an important symbol of Manarola's connection to its history. The church is a testament to the town's Romanesque roots, with its robust construction and austere beauty. The surrounding area of the church is peaceful, offering a perfect spot for visitors to reflect and take in the serenity of the village. Visitors often comment on the church's peaceful atmosphere, which contrasts beautifully with the more bustling areas of the town, providing a tranquil escape. The church's presence at the heart of Manarola serves as a reminder of the village's deep ties to its past and the continuity of its traditions over the centuries. Whether attending a service or simply admiring the architecture, the church remains a focal point of Manarola, embodying the spirit of the village. Manarola is also known for its scenic vineyards and rolling hills, which produce some of the finest wines in the region. The area's temperate climate and fertile soil create the perfect conditions for cultivating grapes, and Manarola's vineyards have been producing wine for centuries. The local wines are made using traditional methods, and visitors to the area can take part in wine tastings that showcase the best of the region's production. Whether it's the rich reds or crisp whites, Manarola's wines are celebrated for their distinctive flavors and high quality. Many of the vineyards offer tours where visitors can learn about the winemaking process, from the harvest of the grapes to the bottling of the finished product. The landscape of vineyards stretching across the hills adds to the town's charm, with the rows of vines creating a patchwork of green that changes with the seasons. Wine lovers will find Manarola to be a haven, where they can indulge in both the history of the town and the pleasure of sampling locally produced wines. The area's wine culture is an essential part of its identity, making it a must-visit destination for anyone looking to experience authentic Italian winemaking traditions. Visitors to Manarola can also purchase bottles of wine directly from the producers, taking a piece of the town's heritage home with them. For those who love the outdoors, Manarola offers numerous hiking trails that wind through the hills and valleys surrounding the village. These trails provide opportunities for both gentle walks and more challenging hikes, all with breathtaking views of the countryside. The lush greenery of the hillsides, combined with the scenic vistas of the village and beyond, makes Manarola a perfect destination for nature enthusiasts. Whether hiking through forests, past vineyards, or along the ridgelines, visitors are treated to a variety of landscapes that showcase the beauty of the region. The hiking routes are well maintained, and many lead to hidden spots where hikers can rest and take in the stunning scenery. Some trails even offer panoramic views of the surrounding towns and villages, providing an excellent opportunity for photographers to capture the beauty of the Italian countryside. The trails are accessible to all levels of hikers, from beginners to more experienced outdoor adventurers. For those looking for a more relaxed experience, shorter trails offer scenic walks through the vineyards, allowing visitors to take in the landscape at a leisurely pace. Manarola's natural environment makes it an ideal place to explore on foot, offering an authentic experience of the region's rural beauty. In addition to hiking, Manarola is also a great place for cycling enthusiasts. The rolling hills and well-maintained roads provide excellent conditions for cycling, with routes that lead through picturesque landscapes, charming villages, and scenic viewpoints. Many cyclists choose Manarola as a base to explore the wider region, with its location providing easy access to other notable cycling routes in the area. Whether cycling along the quieter back roads or venturing onto more challenging trails, Manarola offers a variety of cycling experiences for all levels of riders. The town's central location in the countryside also makes it a great place to access regional cycling tours that showcase the diverse landscapes of the area. Cyclists can enjoy the fresh air and the beauty of the surroundings, all while getting a workout in the heart of nature. The combination of natural beauty, mild weather, and the charm of Manarola's landscape makes it a top destination for cycling enthusiasts. Manarola's rich cultural heritage is evident in its local festivals and traditions, which celebrate the village's deep connection to its history and community. One of the most important events in the village's calendar is the Wine Festival, which is held every year to celebrate the local harvest. The festival features a variety of activities, including wine tastings, live music, traditional dances, and local food stalls. It is a vibrant celebration of Manarola's winemaking traditions, bringing together both locals and tourists to enjoy the region's best offerings. Visitors to the festival can learn about the winemaking process, sample a range of wines, and participate in the lively festivities. Another popular event is the medieval fair, where the town steps back in time to celebrate its history. The streets of Manarola are filled with reenactments, medieval games, and traditional music, creating a festive atmosphere that transports visitors to the past. These festivals are an excellent opportunity for visitors to engage with the local culture and get a deeper understanding of the traditions that shape the village. Manarola's cultural events provide a window into its way of life, with both ancient and modern traditions coming together to create an unforgettable experience for all who attend. The town is also home to a variety of artisan shops and local markets, where visitors can find handmade goods that reflect the craftsmanship and traditions of the area. The local artisans are skilled in creating products that range from handcrafted pottery and textiles to locally made jewelry and artwork. These shops offer a unique opportunity to purchase souvenirs that showcase the town's rich cultural heritage. The artisans in Manarola take pride in their craft, using techniques passed down through generations to create high-quality, one-of-a-kind items. Whether it's a piece of local pottery, a hand-woven scarf, or a painting depicting the stunning landscapes of the region, visitors can find something special to take home as a reminder of their time in the village. The artisan shops also provide a great way to support the local economy, as many of these businesses are small, family-run establishments. The local markets offer another chance to experience the town's vibrant atmosphere, with vendors selling fresh produce, local cheeses, and other regional delicacies. Shopping in Manarola allows visitors to connect with the community and take a piece of the town's rich cultural heritage with them. Manarola is also known for its cuisine, which features traditional Italian dishes made with fresh, locally sourced ingredients. The town's restaurants and trattorias offer a range of meals that showcase the best of Italian gastronomy, from pasta dishes to hearty meat stews and fresh seafood. Many of the restaurants in Manarola focus on using ingredients from the local area, ensuring that each meal is full of flavor and authenticity. Local olive oil, wines, and cheeses are staples in the town's cuisine, and visitors can enjoy a taste of the region with every meal. The emphasis on fresh, seasonal ingredients ensures that the menu at local restaurants changes with the seasons, offering a new dining experience throughout the year. Whether enjoying a leisurely meal on a terrace with views of the surrounding hills or dining in a cozy trattoria, Manarola's culinary offerings provide a true taste of the region. The combination of fresh ingredients, traditional recipes, and stunning surroundings makes dining in Manarola an unforgettable experience for food lovers. In addition to its culinary and cultural offerings, Manarola is also known for its ecotourism initiatives. The town has made significant efforts to preserve its natural environment and promote sustainable tourism. Many of the local businesses in Manarola focus on eco-friendly practices, from using renewable energy to minimizing waste and supporting sustainable agriculture. The town's commitment to sustainability is reflected in its efforts to maintain its natural beauty while offering visitors a way to experience the region responsibly. Ecotourism in Manarola includes activities such as hiking, cycling, and wine tours that focus on the region's natural landscapes and agricultural heritage. Visitors can enjoy the pristine environment while also supporting responsible tourism practices that ensure the area's beauty is preserved for future generations. Manarola's ecotourism initiatives are an important part of its identity, providing a model for sustainable travel in Italy.